Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine and safe. Welcome back to our maths class for first standard. Today we are going to learn a new chapter. What is the chapter's name, children? Chapter 4. Chapter name is Skip Counting. Skip Counting. First, all of you take out your maths textbook. Open page number 93. What is the topic name? Skip counting. Skip counting. First, we are going to learn skip by twos. Skipping means moving forward. How many times? Twos means 2 times. First, we are going to skip one number and move to second number. Here we are going to study skip counting using by number line or numbers. First, all of you take page number 93. Skip counting in twos. First, we are going to learn skip counting by twos. Let's start. All of you ready? Let's come to the chapter. Skip counting by twos. Skip counting by twos. We are starting from which number? 1. Number 1. So, we skip 1 and jumps next number, that is number 2. So, children, shade this number. Next, we skip 1 number, then jumps next number, that means number 4. Clear? Next, we skip another number, then jumps next number, that means 6. Clear? Then we skip another number, then jumps next number, that means 8. Then we skip next number, that means skip 9. Then we move next number, that means 8. Then we skip next number, that means 11. Then jumps next number, that means 12. This is how to skip twos. Clear? How to skip counting by twos. That means the answer is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many numbers we skip? 2 numbers. Clear? Then we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is how to skip counting by twos. This is the method of counting by twos. All of you clear? Next, skip counting by twos using the number line. Here we can see a number line. The numbers are 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86 and 87 and 88. Start from 80. Then we skip one number, that means 81. So we move here. Skip one number, that means 82. Then we skip another number, that means 84. Then we skip next number, then reach next number, that means 86. Then we skip another number and reach another numbers, that means 88. The answer is 82, 84, 86, 88. This is how to skip counting by number line. This is the method of skip counting using number line. The answer is 82, 84, 86, 83. All of you clear? Next, skip counting in threes. Skip count in threes. Count in threes and shade the correct number as shown. Here we can see some numbers 1 to 60. So children, we skip count in 3. How to count these numbers? We skip 2 numbers. We skip how many numbers? 2 numbers. Start from 1. We skip 1 and 2 and shade 3. Clear? Then we skip how many numbers? 2 numbers. 4, 5. Then shade 6. Clear? Then we skip how many numbers? 7, 8 and shade 9. Then we skip 10 and 11. We shade 12. We skip how many numbers? 2 numbers and reach another number. Clear? Then we skip 13 and 14. Then shade 15. Clear? All of you? Shade the numbers. Count in 3s and shade the correct numbers. All of you clear? Next, skip counting in 3s using number line. Here we can see one number line 60 to 75. So children, start from 60 and skip how many numbers? 2 numbers. Then reach third number. Clear? This is the method of skip count in 3s using number line. Clear? 63. Then we skip 2 numbers and reach the third number. Clear? Next we skip 67 and 68. We reach the third number. That means 69. This is how to skip count in 3s using the number line. Clear? Next one, skip count in 5s. We skip 5 numbers. We skip how many numbers? 5 numbers. We skip 5 numbers. That means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We skip how many numbers? 5 numbers. That is skip in 5s. Clear? All of you do this work. That means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55, 60. This is count in 5s. Write the numbers as shown. Here we can write the numbers. We can write the answers. Clear? Then skip count in 5s using number line. We skip how many numbers? We skip 5 numbers and reach 5, 50, 55. Then we skip how many numbers? 5 numbers and reach 60. Then we skip how many numbers? 5 numbers, 65. All of you clear? 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. This is the method of skip counting in using number line. Okay. Next, life skill. Help Leela reach by skip counting and reach home by skip counting in 5s. Help Leela reach home by skip counting in 5. All of you help to Leela to reach her house. Next, horse. Write the missing numbers by skip counting in tens. First one 10. All of you write 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. Clear? Then the another number 2, 12, 22, 32, 42 like that. Clear? Then 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57 and 67 like that. All of you clear? I hope all of you just keep counting. So I will wind up the class. See you in next class.